Hello everyone, welcome to another testing video. Today we're going to be testing the shotgunners, the human shotgunner, the MIB shotgunner, and the human survivor shotgunner. So the dim system, what I can tell you right now is that this is obviously the weakest one. This one is it's pretty much the same as this one, but I think this one has more health. The AMI Man in Black one. I think the difference I know of is that this one can strive for higher heights than this one. But let's test them out one by one and see how they fare against a full group of zombies. So as we can see here, shotgunners all have a penetrations that can hit multiple targets at once. And as you can see here, this guy isn't all that strong. It takes one bite or one spit to kill them. And we see here, so shotgunners have a kind of like a damage range, you say. So if a zombie is close enough, it always kill that zombie. Oh, and if they fall enough, it's going to do some damage. So let's try how it works, but I think this guy can only shoot 2 at a time. Oh, I hit 2 in a row. See that one more time. Yeah, this guy can only hit 2 at a time. Well, it's only can kill 2 zombies at a time if they're close enough. So now the Man in Black shotgunner is quite a bit more stronger than the first one. You can see here she has a lot further alert range, and she shoots a lot faster. Let's see. Seems like she can hit 3 in a row. And she take 2 bites to twice the health of the full shotgunner. And let's see one more thing. Yeah, it's just she does less damage when they fall away. But I guess if they're pretty close, she'll always one-tap them. And unlike the other shotgunner, she's a lot faster too. So 3 in a row. Now then, with this test, you can see how how high they can survive. You can see they roll. And I guess that's a bit too much for her. Okay. So this is the max height. Because I didn't need a tank anyways. So this is definitely a lot higher than what a zombie can survive and fall from. Let me block this. I think yeah, got an editor for that. So let's see. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So they can take a fall from 8 blocks high. For reference, a normal zombie can. Wait. Oh, whoops! Delete that accent. So no zombie can survive I must lower height. So that's 8 blocks. And that's not a normal zombie. Oh dear. So this 8 blocks high. I think the normal zombie can survive, if I remember correctly, a height of about 5 blocks. Yeah, so it's exactly 5 blocks that a normal zombie can survive a fall from. Yeah, exactly 5 blocks. So does that means so she can survive much higher height than a normal shotgun who can survive. Let's see. So that's 5 blocks. Yeah, that's 5 blocks right there. Let's see. We can put him right up there. And he died. 1 block lower. So the shotgun can survive 4 blocks high, but not 5 blocks like the normal zombies can. She can survive 8 blocks, which is interesting. And let's see. This guy, this 5 shotgun has the most health. So let's put it in the same height as this zombie. 6 blocks, is that? Yeah, 6 blocks. Not sure he takes fall damage from that high. But yeah, shotgun doesn't take fall damage. So they're 6 blocks high. Now 7 blocks. He's still fine at 7 blocks. 8 blocks. Okay, he's still alive. Now 9 blocks. He died from. It's a 9 blocks the limit for him. Okay, now it's your turn, lady. Blocks 52. Okay, so the shotgun and the so they both have the same height but they die for fall damage. Instantly for fall damage. So they pretty much same, except this one she rolls when she falls off a thing. I think she compared to let's see if they're the same. This is 8 blocks that we know these two can survive. But how about this guy? So yeah, it's and Men in Black shotgun can survive much higher height to her other Men in Black counterparts. Now time to test. The survivor shotgun by himself. So far, if I remember correctly, the survivor, the first shotgun, the first thug shotgunner, can hit 2 targets at once and instantly kill 2 of them if they're close enough. The Man in Black one can hit 3 in a row and kill, I think 3 or 2 if they're close enough. In a row. Now let's test the survivor shotgun and see how well he fares. He has more health, I know that for sure. Okay, boys, let's do this. Okay, he hit 4 in a row. And this is probably his death range. So he hit 1 more than the Man in Black shotgunner in a row. They 10 solar zombos. 10 in total. Kill one. Hey, well, he dies. So, seems like he can only kill one per shot, but he does damage to other ones behind him. So he had a chance to win. Doesn't help he seems to have the same as a Man Black shotgunner though. Let's set them both together. Not sure about how much ammo they have or the range. Yeah, but let's just all them together. Let me just make this infinite and put this to 5 so they have room to breathe. Probably might be just about the same. Okay, with that, yes, well, let's see. Yeah, she's getting a fuse, I guess. So the wire will probably seem to be about the same. Not sure how much ammo each one have. Let's count that then. A tank should have more than enough health. Let's check this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So he can shoot 5 shots before they reload. Probably the same for the other one. Shoot into my 6-pack. Oh, shit, I have one less ammo compared to the survival shotgunner. What does that mean? This guy should have 3 shots in total. Oh. Maybe they did this in sequence. Yeah, he had the same amount. Yeah, he had 4 shots too. So 4 shots, and 5 shots. Let's check the range though. Okay, he died, okay. See, they have the power the same range at each other. The shotgun, the survival shotgun might be very slightly longer range than the the Man Black one. We know that obviously this guy has much shorter range compared to the other two. So there we have it, folks, my comrades. I think that we went over everything for the shotgunners, as far as I know. So this guy had 4 shots in fire before need reload, 4 shots before loading, and 5 shots before reloading. These two have the same health and the same max fall height before they instantly die for fall damage. But it's 8 blocks. Yeah, I remember correctly. That is this guy, he probably tried the fastest. But compared to these two are pretty much the same. Besides this guy having 1 more shell, and possibly, very possibly, very slightly longer range compared to this one. But overall, these two are pretty much the same thing. Besides him being super slightly stronger. And he's obviously the weakest one compared to these two. And another thing to remember is that this guy can hit 2 zombies in a row, 4 zombies in a row, and 3 zombies in a row. Not sure if these two can instantly kill. No, wait, this guy, he can kill at least 1 zombie instantly in a row. But he hit up to 4. This one can kill 2 instantly in a row, but nothing more. And if the zombie is in his kill zone range, or if it's too far away, then he doesn't go hit them, but not instantly kill them. And she is 3 zombies. And oh, that's right. So then we tested that she can kill multiple. Let's test that real quick. So we know if the shotgun can hit 1 and instantly kill 1, but he hit 4. Let's see if it's different for her. Yeah, actually we need a lot smaller numbers here. So good, 10 zombies. It's probably the same as a survival shotgun then. She can kill them instantly if they're close enough, but if they're too far away then she doesn't hit up to 3. But she should be able to kill 1 instantly if they are in her kill zone radius. But I think that's pretty much it for the shotgunners. Comment below if I missed anything that I should test for these guys. But I think in the video I will show it over everything. And in the comments I can post down what I learned in summary. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. And until next time.